Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to use the Adobe Photoshop application on our phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have installed the Adobe Photoshop application on my phone. This is the application, and first thing first, let's just open up this application. And before we edit photo using this application, we have to choose the photo we want to edit. For instance, I'm just going to edit this photo. So I'm going to click on it, and now the photo has been imported to the Photoshop project. And here are the editing tools we can use. There are a lot of features, as you can see, and I'm just going to show you some of them. For instance, if we want to change the background of this photo, we can go to the background, and then you can choose the color to be applied to your photo if you want to change the background color. And if you just want to remove the background, you can go to the action, and then you can click on remove, and this is the result. As you can see that the background has been removed. And you can also use the Adobe Photoshop to edit your face. You just need to go to the face features right here, and here you can edit your face, lips, nose, eyes, and contour. For example, if you want to make your jawline become sharper, you just need to go to the contour, and then you can select jawline. Then you can go left like this to make it sharper. And then if you want to crop your photo, you can go to the crop option, and then you can crop it like this. Okay. And then you can also rotate the photo. Just go to the rotate option, and if you want to transform it, you can go to transform. And I'm going to try it one by one like this. Okay, and then if you want to apply filter, you can go to the looks, and here there are a couple of filters you can apply to your photo. You can choose based on its category. For instance, I'm going to make it black and white, and I'm gonna go with this filter. And then we can also remove object using the heal feature. You can go to heal. For instance, I'm going to remove this button. I'm just going to draw on this button. Okay, and as you can see that the object has been removed, and I'm going to show you the other features. We can add text. I'm just going to add this text, for example. If you want to add text, you just need to go to the text, and then you can customize it. You can customize the font like this, and then you can also change the color like this, guys. And you can place the tags to the part that you want. And if you need to add sticker, you can go to the sticker, and there are a lot of stickers we can use. I'm gonna go with this one, for example. Okay, and then we can go to border if we want to add frame or border around our photo like this. I'm gonna go with this one. And if you want to save the photo you have edited using the Photoshop, you can click on this icon, then the photo will be saved to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can use the Adobe Photoshop on our phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.